the important MCQs from the chapter Plant Growth and Development. Phototropic curvature is the result of uneven distribution of A. gibberellin, B. phytochrome, C. cytokinin, D. auxin. Answer option D. Auxin. One of the commonly used plant growth hormone in tea plantation is A. ethylene, B. abscisic acid, C. zeatin, D. indole 3 acetic acid. Option D. indole 3 acetic acid. Vernalization stimulates flowering in option A. zaminkyne, B. turmeric, C. ginger, D. carrot. Option D. carrot. Phytochrome is option A. flavoprotein, B. glycoprotein, C. chromoprotein, D. lipoprotein. Answer option C. chromoprotein. Typical growth curve in plants is option A. stair-step shaped, B. parabolic, C. sigmoid, D. linear. Option C. sigmoid.